Hello, David here. Today we're going to be talking about Meraki's SD-WAN solution. Software-defined wide area network technology is a combination of hardware and software innovations that provide secure, reliable connectivity while reducing the cost of network operation. SD-WAN optimizes bandwidth usage across multiple internet connections by leveraging cutting-edge network analytics. And, just as with all our solutions, everything is managed right from the Meraki dashboard. Let's take a look at a sample network we've configured for SD-WAN. In order to support SD-WAN, each of our MX devices is outfitted with 2 WAN ports, represented here. These ports enable your network to leverage multiple, low-cost broadband connections to achieve reliability and application performance comparable to much more expensive solutions, such as MPLS or a leased line. And, if you want to lower your risk profile even further, Meraki SD-WAN can be deployed to augment an MPLS connection with a secondary WAN circuit. This redundancy helps protect your network from WAN issues outside of your direct control. If one connection degrades or goes down completely, traffic will automatically fail over to the other one. The result is more network uptime and greater quality of service. And, in case you're looking for another layer of redundancy, or need to build out remote sites where a second ISP just isn't available, each MX includes a USB port that accommodates a cellular modem. Several models even include a built-in cellular radio. Dashboard makes it simple to see how much traffic is passing over each connection, as well as a snapshot of historical data on latency and packet loss for each WAN circuit. Now let's take a look at how simple it is to connect different sites securely across these multiple WAN circuits. Meraki SD-WAN is able to provide enterprise-level security across public broadband connections because it's built on top of our Auto VPN technology, and it leverages the latest Cisco threat protection services. With an MX at each site, establishing encrypted VPN tunnels between your networks takes under a minute. In this case, all you would have to do is click Spoke, then select a hub below. You can even use Auto VPN to connect directly to a virtual MX for secure access to Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. One reason SD-WAN is so powerful is that the MX is able to set up these VPN tunnels across multiple WAN circuits at the same time, and switch between them as conditions change. These dual active VPN connections provide IP security while preserving quality of service, even for session-based applications such as voice-over IP solutions. This is the VPN status page, where we can see a real-time readout of individual uplink decisions. Right here, we can see instances in which the connection failed over to WAN 2 because WAN 1 experienced poor performance. Dashboard makes it simple to see what's going on underneath the hood as these decisions are made. Performance probes are sent out over all established VPN tunnels each second to determine latency, jitter, and packet loss. These metrics are then used to make the performance-based decisions that we just saw. To maximize network security, the MX is also designed to integrate with Cisco's advanced malware protection and intrusion prevention system. Access to these features is included with advanced security licensing, and they can be enabled with a few clicks here on the threat protection page. If configuring these settings seems extremely simple, that's because it is. Now that your data is flowing securely between sites, let's take a look at the ways you can control how that traffic is directed and prioritized. Meraki traffic shaping technology allows you to direct different data flows along different internet connections running to your network. SD-WAN combines this control with real-time information on WAN conditions, enabling your network to adapt intelligently and immediately to changes in uplink performance. Here, under Flow Preferences, you can specify which WAN circuit to use for different types of traffic. Some of our customers use this feature to reduce costs by reserving more expensive bandwidth on a high-performance WAN link for critical traffic. This is also where you can configure preferences for dynamic path selection, which analyzes WAN performance to direct VPN traffic along the optimal path between your sites. You can even select from a pre-populated list of applications and application categories to simplify the process of setting up these preferences. For instance, If you want all of your cloud-hosted application traffic to prefer the WAN link with lower latency, then you can set up that rule here. With a potent combination of tools to maintain network uptime and performance, as well as the diagnostics to rapidly troubleshoot any issues that do arise, Meraki SD-WAN is a cost-effective way to keep your business connected, reliably and securely.